Hello, hello.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing something really exciting, the M5Stack Tab5 IoT Development Kit featuring the new ESP32-P4 processor. This is a developer-focused portable IoT terminal that's packed with features. Let's dive right in. So here we have the Tab5 Kit packaging. The packaging is clean and professional. Let's open this up and see what we get inside. First up, here's the Tab5 itself. This feels solid. It's got a nice weight to it. The build quality immediately stands out. This doesn't feel like a typical development board. It's more like a finished product. Let's take a closer look at the hardware. The main controller is the ESP32-P4. That's a RISC-V dual core running up to 400 MHz with 16 MB flash and 32 MB PSRAM. The wireless is handled by a separate ESP32-C6 module supporting Wi-Fi 6. Check this out. There's a standard Q20 tripod mount on the side. This thing is designed to be deployed in the field. This is where it gets interesting. We have both USB-A host and USB-C OTG ports. There's also RS485 for industrial applications, Grove connector, M5 bus, and a micro SD slot. This 5-inch IPS display is gorgeous, 1280 x 720 resolution with full multi-touch support. The battery system is really well thought out. There's a dedicated power button on the side, plus the usual reset button for development. Let's power this up for the first time. Look at that, the display comes to life immediately. The colors are vibrant and the touch response feels really smooth. The viewing angles on this IPS panel are excellent. You can see it's running demo firmware out of the box. The interface is responsive and the build quality really shows. What excites me most about the Tab5 is the development potential. Smart home control panels, industrial monitoring systems, IoT prototyping, computer vision projects with the camera, audio processing with the dual mic setup. The fact that it supports ESP-IDF means you have full control over the hardware. First impressions of the M5Stack Tab5 are really positive. The build quality is excellent, the feature set is comprehensive, and at $60 for the kit version, it's competitively priced for what you're getting. For audio, there's dual microphones with echo cancellation, a 1-watt speaker, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Up top, we have the 2-megapixel camera, perfect for computer vision projects. I'm excited to dive deeper into development with this. That's it for today's unboxing. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more IoT development content. I'll have some project tutorials with the Tab5 coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.